What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be back to work on our 2018 Dodge Ram. We kind of put this thing on the back burner due to our Mustang. We've been trying to focus all our time on that. But we're finally going to get it all done. All we have to do in today's video is actually paint the bed, install it, and the flares, and this thing will be done. So let's get straight to work. So we're going to start off with this bed right here. As you guys know, in the previous episodes, we did sand everything up, and we did miss one dent on the bed because on white, dents are really hard to see. We have a small little dent right here. You can barely see it, so we're gonna have to fix that. And also on our tailgate, we have a dent right here. So what we need to do right now is strip everything off this tailgate and start working on the body work on the bed and the tailgate. The reason why I'm breaking this is because it's already broken and I don't feel like wasting time taking it off properly. So we're just gonna pop it off and get a new one. So we got everything stripped off the bed, and we actually found another dent right here. It's really slight. So we have our grinder. We're gonna go ahead and grind it up, and we're also gonna tap it out from the back because that's the most important thing. You don't want to put too much filler on there, and we do have good entry from the back, so we're gonna grind it up and then tap it out from the back. So we got that dent nice and tapped out from the back. Now it's just gonna need a little bit of glazing putty. We're actually not gonna use body filler. We're just gonna use a slight coat of glazing filler on that. And then right here, we also will use a slight bit of a glazing filler because it's just a super minor dent. So let's get to mixing and start putting it on here. So we got the deck lid all sanded down and it feels amazing. Now what we need to do is just grab some primer and prime it in and be ready for paint. So we got it all primed in, it's all nice and dry, and we also went ahead and did the body work on this bed. It was really minor, we didn't even record it. There was just a slight little crease right here, and there were some scratches over there, but we got everything primed in. Now all we need to do is start sanding it, and then once we're done sanding it, my brother Paul's gonna come and spray it in. So we got the bed all sanded, and we also sanded all the fender flares. So now all we need to do is get this bed in the paint booth and start prepping it for paint.
What's up, guys? So we got the rest of the parts from the Ram 2500 inside the paint booth. We're gonna go ahead and mask off all the stuff that does not need to get sprayed and then clean it and paint it. All right, guys, we got everything cleaned off and masked. We're gonna spray some adhesion promoter on the plastic fender flares, then we'll spray some sealer on the rest of it, and then we'll spray our base coat. All right, guys, we finished up the paint job. It turned out spectacular. We're gonna let it dry. We're gonna untape it tomorrow and start putting the truck back together.
So it's the next day here at the shop. My brother did an amazing job on the paint job. All the body work turned out beautiful. Now let's go ahead and start getting this stuff back on the truck. So we got the bed on the truck, everything went on smoothly, and it's crazy how tall this thing is. I didn't realize how tall it actually was because the bed was off of it. But now what we're gonna do is start putting the rear bumper back together. We need to swap everything from our bad, destroyed bumper onto our new piece. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So it started raining outside, so we pulled the truck inside. We basically got everything done on the truck except for a couple of small things, which we are still waiting on, which we'll be doing later. But that's gonna be basically a wrap. We probably won't make any more videos on this truck. But also, guys, we are gonna be searching for a new build, so go ahead and comment down below. We still have the Mustang, but as you guys know, that car just takes a long time, especially figuring out how to build everything. So we kind of want to have two builds going on at the same time, and just looking for something fresh because this truck's been kind of stale. It was really badly wrecked, and we're trying to get something different. So go ahead and drop your suggestions down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and also check out vTuned.com, copy some pretty cool merch, and also follow us on Instagram. And thanks for watching.